Children, take out page number 17 of your English reader. Let's do exercise C6. Find words from the story which are opposite in meaning to the following. Children, opposite word means words totally different in meaning. So, let's find from the story. First word is found, and opposite of found is lost. Second word is remembered, and opposite of remembered is forgot. Next word, third word is sad, and opposite of sad is happy. And your last word is stale. Stale means not fresh. And in the story, you have read the word fresh. So, opposite of stale is fresh. Children, you will find these opposite words from the story and you will do exercise C6 in the book.